Hi everyone, I had ordered this Lenovo LOQ laptop from the official Lenovo website. I had placed the order on 27th of September and it got delivered just right now on 10th of October. So I'll be unboxing the laptop and showing you what all is inside. But before starting the unboxing, I'll quickly tell you all the customized specs of the laptop. So the processor is AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS. Memory is 16 GB DDR5 5600 MHz. SSD is 1 TB Gen 4 TLC. Display is 15.6 inch 1440p display. And the graphic card is RTX 4060. Camera is 1080p Full HD. The color, obviously, it's Luna Grey, and keyboard is 4-zone RGB backlit. And at last, battery, as you all know, it's 60 watt hour. And the power adapter is 230 watts. That's what is supposed to be inside the box. Okay, and okay, so that's it about the specifications. Let's quickly start the unboxing of the laptop. Okay, so you saw the plastic wrap. There is some documentation. Obviously, you have the invoice and everything. So we'll keep this aside and quickly look what's inside the box. So this is the main box, guys, and right here you have the Lenovo seal. We're going to break it open, and before we break it open, I'm going to show you the Lenovo LOQ logo in its full glory. Okay, so let's quickly open this seal and take out our laptop. Take out the adapter and whatever is there on the side. Okay guys, so this is the charging brick, the adapter, and here is the cable. Okay, so first I'll take out this this padding, this thermocol. And here it's time for the final reveal, guys. There you have it. It's actually in a plastic wrap, so I'll just lift it up. Okay, there you have it, guys. There is our laptop. So let me quickly remove this. Okay, and we'll keep the box aside. This is our laptop, guys. Let us take it out of the plastic wrap, and it's heavy, guys. It's pretty heavy. There you have it, guys. There is our Lenovo LOQ. So this is the laptop, guys. Let's open the lid and let's see what's inside. Okay, so we're gonna open the lid and ta-da. Okay, so let's remove this. So we have this protective fabric type of cloth, and let's keep it on the side. And there you have it, this congratulations on your Lenovo purchase. Alright, so this is basically warranty and stuff. We'll take a look at it later. Now I don't expect it to turn on because usually these are not charged, but let's try to press the button and let's see if it turns on. So I'm going to press the power button. Okay guys, so it's not charging on, so we're going to quickly plug it in and see if it turns on. Okay guys, so this is the charging brick. It should be the 230 watt. Let me see if it's the 230 watt charging brick. Let me quickly open this. Okay guys, so this is the 230 watt charging brick. As you can see, it's mentioned here. Yeah, and let's plug in our laptop and see if it turns on. So I have plugged in the laptop guys, and it's charging now. You can see the indicator. We can see there's a red light. That means the battery was completely drained because it was not turning on when we had tried to turn it on right after unboxing. So it's charging, and I'm gonna try and maybe try to turn it on right now because it's plugged in. So let's try and do that. So I'm gonna press the power button. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, so the power button lit up. Let's see. Here is the laptop guys. You can see it's turning on. We can see the Lenovo logo, and let me tell you guys, the display is very crisp. It's the 1440p display, and it looks it was very detailed, just the logo. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly set up the laptop, and I'm gonna get back and show you what's all inside. Hey guys, so let's have a quick look at the ports on the Lenovo LOQ, the Ryzen 8845HS and RTX 4060 variant, the customized one. So as you can see, we have here, we have two USB type A connectors at the back, one HDMI port, one power connector, one Ethernet connector and one power connector. Okay, and two air vents at the back. And on the right side you have your basically your audio port, and you have your camera on off button, and you have a USB type C. Okay, this is not Thunderbolt. And on the left side it's basically plain, there's nothing, you don't get anything. So these were the ports on the Lenovo LOQ 8845HS RTX 4060. So I have finally set up my laptop, and as you all can see, the wallpaper looks pretty cool. So as I've told you, this display is the 1440p display, and I'm going to quickly show you the specs. Okay, so we go to Task Manager, and okay, so here you can see the CPU is the 8845HS, and now I'll show you the memory, that is 16 GB. It's the TLC memory, and the GPU I'll quickly show you. It's the RTX 4060 laptop GPU. So basically, yeah, and you can take a look at the keyboard. Right now I have set it to like a particular like RGB mode. We can change the RGB mode by function key and pressing the space bar, you see. So this is like the default RGB yeah, so you can see the RGB lights are on. Now I'll quickly do a quick sound test. I have turned the volume up to the maximum, and I'm gonna let you listen to a quick sound test. Okay, I'm gonna take the mic close to the laptop. So basically, here is the mic, and this is where ideally you'll be placing your ears. So yeah, this is the loudness that's coming from the laptop speakers. So yeah, guys, it's pretty loud. I mean, I did not expect it to be this loud, but yeah, it's actually well above decent. So you can enjoy your music and movies and all entertainment stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly yeah. So what else is left? Okay, so display, guys. The display is pretty it's bright, and it's the colors, they look pretty good. So I'm going to quickly show you the display settings, and you can see, yeah, so you can see it's the display orientation is 1440p, and the display. Now I'm going to quickly show you the refresh rate as well. So guys, the refresh rate is okay, just a second. Yeah, so the refresh rate is set to 165 hertz. You can see. So yeah, guys, this was the this was my review of like, not review but unboxing of the Lenovo LOQ. I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna posting more clips, and I'm gonna posting a review, and monthly and even weekly user reviews. So I'll keep you guys updated. So hit subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.